DKSH, the #1 in market expansion services.
24 million people played golf in the United States last year. It's a game of precision.
Golf invites a multitude of perfectionists.
Golf's a balance of tradition plus new technology.
Cobra, together with HP and Parmatech, is about to alter the future of golf forever.
This is the first mass-produced 3D printed putter.
So what's revolutionary about this is the head itself. We were able to use HP's 3D metal jet printing to make a structure that's never been seen before.
We've been trying to create 3D printed golf clubs for the mass public for many years. Due to the limitations of previous technologies, it's just not been possible because of scalability.
One of the things that sets MetalJet apart is the ability to do this in a mass production case. Additive technologies can create onesie-twosie prototypes, but we could never transfer that to production, be it cost, be it time, be it part quality. And with MetalJet, we were able to overcome all those obstacles. Working with HP and their production partner Parmatech, we've been able to prototype fast and then immediately go into production.
Parmatech has a history of high-volume manufacturing, precision metal components. The Cobra Putter project is a first for Parmatech in introducing a new manufacturing process. It's the first time we're going to have an additively manufactured metal putter out in the industry. We're breaking new ground here. That's exciting for Parmatech as an organization and for HP to get out there and partner with an industry leader as Cobra and provide something completely new to the market.
I think 3D printing is going to become a big part of the golf industry. It's just a better way to make a golf club.
I'm excited about the future for MetalJet at Parmatech. Right now, we're just scratching the surface.
The possibilities with this partnership are truly endless.
The future's really bright, and we're really excited to see what's going to come next.
DKSH, the #1 in market expansion services.